Did you know that soil health affects the amount of nutrition of our foods? It's true. A growing number of studies are discovering nutrient declines and variations in a long list of fruits, vegetables, and meats, which are being impacted by how they were grown. For example, one study shows that a person would have to consume 8 blueberries or 3 carrots to equal 1 grown in optimal conditions. Compared to degraded soil, healthy soil contains more beneficial microorganisms that convert minerals into nutrients. These nutrients are taken up by plants or livestock, which we then eat. Excessive tillage, pesticide, and synthetic fertilizer make soil unhealthy, and about a third of the world's croplands are seriously degraded. Soil minerals make up only 5% of our bodies, but they dictate the development of the other 95% of compounds needed by our bodies for growth, development, repair, and disease prevention. In the 1950s, Americans spent twice as much on food than on healthcare, but today we spend twice as much on healthcare than on food. 7 out of 10 of us have at least one chronic disease, many of which are diet-related sicknesses. Thus, soil quality and farming practices are important to all of us. We are what we eat, which is what the plants and microbes ate in the soil. Follow me if you want to learn more about how soil health affects our everyday lives. And see you next time.